Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're keeping it clean and direct with a pure technical and fundamental analysis of gold, XAUUSD. We'll look at how last week closed out and what we can realistically expect for the upcoming week. To start our analysis, we always look at the higher time frames to give us our directional bias. Today is May 31st, which means the monthly candle is officially closing right here. Looking at the context, the past 3 months have been heavily bearish. We had a large expansion candle followed by a smaller one, and this current month closed as a medium-sized bearish candle. While it's still a bit too early to predict if the upcoming month's candle will be entirely bullish or bearish, the volume suggests we are due for a major move. Before we drop down, let's quickly plot our key monthly support and resistance zones right here. Dropping down to the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that our monthly support area is being strongly respected. Last week's candle closed as a classic dragonfly doji. Showing an aggressive rejection and pushback right off that support. Based purely on this weekly candle structure, the momentum is tilting heavily toward a bullish upcoming week. Let's break it down further on the daily chart to see how last week developed. Monday started bullish, followed by 2 bearish correction days on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday brought buyers back into the market with consecutive bullish candles. However, Friday's candle faced some minor rejection after testing this immediate resistance level. Because of that rejection, my baseline expectation is to see a minor retracement early in the week, potentially into this lower liquidity pocket, before a continuation back to the upside. Keep in mind, daily candles right now are highly reactive to the fundamental news cycle. For instance, any concrete news regarding a peace deal will act as heavy momentum, likely driving price straight through this resistance. On the flip side, if geopolitics heat up or things stall, we will see that deeper retracement play out. Either way, we need to see how the Asian session opens tonight and develops before looking for execution setups during the London and New York sessions. This specific resistance area is a critical inflection point for our technical structure. If you track the price action from the recent peak, we've been printing a clean sequence of lower lows and lower highs. We saw a brief change of character. $CHOCH dollar recently, but it failed to confirm a full market structure shift and reverted back to a lower low. Right now, we are at a crossroads. Gold will either break through this key level to finally confirm a bullish market structure shift, or it will respect this zone, print a fresh lower high, and head back down to target the lows. This is why Monday's daily close is going to give us massive clues. Finally, looking at the 4-hour time frame, it aligns perfectly with our daily thesis. Price rejected quickly off that major resistance and ended the Friday session with a bearish candle. When the Asian market opens tonight, we will likely see a continuation of that red candle pushing down toward the nearest minor support zone. That is my macro outlook for gold today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will be dropping live setup videos as these intraday moves develop over the coming days. Safe trading this week, and goodbye.